here's how to use Chat GPT in Figma. So you can easily install Chat GPT in Figma or its alternative. So there is no official Chat GPT for now in Figma, but I hope they're gonna add later on. But for now, we can use the alternatives. So let's just straight get into it. First of all, go to your favorite web browser and search up Figma. So there we go. We're just gonna go over here. So just gonna click on a basic one. Let's just say I'm gonna use user persona template, just like that. So how do we install ChatGPT? So you can get it by using plugins. So first of all, go to main menu, and you'll see many options over here, but you have to go to plugins, and after that just go to manage plugins, and you can see many tools over here, but you have to search ChatGPT. And when you search it up, you'll see many alternatives of AI Chat GPT. You can use any, but most of them are paid to use. So let's just try one of them and see which one works for free. Let's say I want Cube GPT. I'm just gonna click on run, and there we have it. So we can do any task on it, just like translate into or change tone, but you can use actual Chat GPT's alternatives, but most of them are paid to use, just like this one, Figma GPT. When you turn it on, it will ask you to pay you to get the OpenAI key, but when you pay them up, you'll get to use the Chat GPT alternative, just like Chat GPT, and you can do all the options and stuff. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can use Chat GPT in Figma. So I hope I helped you guys out. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.